Bit of saturation.
Saturation is the total volume of color in it. It's a very common tool to use. Essentially, saturation, contrast, and exposure.
So the saturation is kind of like opacity, where you
Opacity is how far you can see through something, while saturation is how, let's say, like your tie, how rich that color would be. Like it'd be very bright red.
Saturation is the richness of all the different tones.
Exactly.
Opacity is the level of transparency.
Exactly.
So 0 would be completely transparent, and once you increase the opacity, it would be less transparent.
You're right. And then contrast on that is contrast takes out the middle and makes the darks darker and the brights bright. And that's more noticeable in black and white than with color, because the color kind of muddles it to the human mind a little bit. So that makes better pictures.
Wow.
Back to Ash.
This is phenomenal.